Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, as you can tell, we are in the living room. Last night we decided that I wanted to hang up the TV, and well, we went ahead and did that. I purchased the base or whatever that thing is called that goes to hang up the TV in the back. I purchased it. It arrived like 2 days ago, so I was still like indecisive if I wanted to hang it up or not. But the night before this whole video, we did hang it up. I didn't film that part, but my husband helped me. We went ahead and hanged it up. So I was just taking off these items that were left over from last night here. I do have some Christmas movies playing. I know it's only July, but I am so ready for the burn months, for my fall decorating and all of that. I don't have like a really good plan for the cords, but you guys will see towards the end that I find kind of a way to make them look not so they're like an eyesore. But we're just going to go ahead and quickly wipe down the TV stand. I've had this TV stand for so many years. I got it free off of Facebook Marketplace. um but yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly give it a nice wipe down, and then we're going to go ahead and just start decorating. At the end, I'm going to show the whole reveal of how this wall turned out. So I did end up using some picture frames that I had, and then I went to Hobby Lobby for some other frames, and we just went ahead and did a whole gallery wall art. You can see a little sneak peek here, but we just did a whole gallery wall, including the TV, and I just worked around it. I love how it turned out. I did leave some wiggle space to add like some smaller frames, like little square ones or round and oval ones and so on. But I'm going to go ahead and quickly vacuum here this area. I always have this sage chair here in our living room, and it's been in several different places of the living room, but for some reason it always ends up being like on the side of the TV. But it is just such a nice, warm, little cozy seat to sit in. I did pick this one up probably like 2 years ago off of Facebook Marketplace, and if I can remember well, it was either $15 or $20, but I know it was not over. It wasn't that expensive. The owner of this chair did mention that it was her mom's chair, and she read so many stories and told so many stories to the grandkids in this chair. So I know this chair was so loved and it's full of memories. But now it's our turn to have the chair. But after I vacuumed here, I went ahead and quickly just gave it a little swift over here. I'm pushing back the chair. I do still have to paint the part of the sage green wall and part of the gray one. I didn't have a paintbrush when I did this, so I do still have to do that paint touches on there. But I'm going to stop talking, let the music flow, and just I hope you guys enjoy. Here on this side, I did have all of the trash from the frames that I mentioned that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off when I bought my frames. I think I only picked up like 3 or 4 of them this day, but I am wanting to go back for more. But yeah, I went ahead and picked up that trash. Then I'm just going to go ahead and quickly fluff up the pillows here on the sofa. Jayla's awake already. It is a super early morning. Mom has a doctor appointment on this day, so I am ready for when she's up and has her breakfast and everything, so we could go ahead and head out the door. It is extremely hot here. As I'm doing this voiceover, we do have a heat wave, 108 degrees. It's supposed to be from Friday all the way to Tuesday, so pretty long heat wave. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and quickly clear off this little table, vacuum all around, and then put my plant back. And then I'm gonna move on to the coffee table, and I'm just gonna leave it more simple. There was a couple more stuff there, but like the tissue holder, I went ahead and I'm just gonna move it over here to this table here and just keep the coffee table a little bit more simple.
as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So I found a couple of these lamb ears, I believe they are, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly tuck them into this vase so it looks more fuller. I don't know, there's something about our living room since I moved it around. I've never ever had, like, I've had it in the past, my sofa towards this wall, but I've never enjoyed it as long as I would like to. Like, my likings would go away really fast with this setup, but I don't know, it's been like this since the beginning of April. We're mid July already pretty much, and I am still loving it. I feel it looks warm and cozy, more open. Besides having the sofa on the other side, I just cannot wait to start decorating for the fall and then for Christmas and all of that. But I'm just going to go ahead and quickly vacuum these whole floors. After I finish vacuuming later on, I didn't film it, but I did end up bringing out my old cedar mop and I gave the whole floors a really good mop. But that was once we got back from mom's doctor appointment.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live.
Now the styling here on the top of the TV stand, I just kept it very simple. I have my plants on each side, and then I just added some containers and stuff like that, just things that I have. Right there in the middle, you can see how I went ahead and gathered the cords and put them together. It's not as eyesore, but you can still kind of see them there, but I'm gonna figure out a way afterwards to put them up. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am gonna share with you guys all of the afters. I just love how our gallery wall turned out, and I was so surprised that I did not struggle to do this. I just picked up a frame, put it there, and it just all flew together. Jayla's over here watching that one Korean Netflix show that is on. Like, she's just so obsessed with all of that. But we had to turn on the fireplace just to give it that extra little coziness this early morning. I just love how everything turned out. I'm already visualizing and imagining Christmas and my fall decor and everything with this whole new setup here in our living room this year. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys are new over here on my channel and would like to see more cleaning and decorating videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button. God bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.